What's up, guys? My name is Cody Bingley, and welcome back to another vlog. It's finally daytime. I'm making a daytime video. Well, it's more like a morning video. It's morning for me. Make sure what time it is. It is 9:11 right now, where I live. 9:11 a.m. Here's what it looks like outside. And my dog's looking outside as well. If you guys can't see it, let's just get a close look. Oops. Oh. I was watching some NASCAR crashes on YouTube, and then all of a sudden I just remembered to make a daytime video. It's nice out here, sort of. It's supposed to be warm today. Yesterday was like in the 60s, and it was good. 60s were good. Do you see a TV now? Now that it's daylight. Not really. Anyway, guys. Did you guys like the new intro? I'm gonna try to get it onto my videos before I start them. But I'll figure it out one day. I might figure it out. Here's my soccer shirt. When I was in soccer. I'm gonna be gone maybe all day because my mom's in the hospital because well, she had breast cancer and she had surgery, and the thing there's like too much liquid and her stuff in her, and it started bleeding, and she was kept at the hospital all night. I was a little busy this morning. It's busy. You normally look busy. There's my dog, Maggie. Hey, Maggie. Fun dog. Fun dog. I forgot to tell you guys this. I've been in a tornado before. I have. It was back in 2007, I believe. I was born in 2004, and and I believe it was March or April. I don't know which month it was, but one of those days, the sky was dark. It started to, but I'm not sure if it started to hail or not. But it was raining. Then all of a sudden we heard sirens go blowing off. We looked in the sky, and sure enough, we saw a funnel coming down. It was an F1. Sorry, guys. It was an F1, and it was scary. It was not fun or pretty. Not fun. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show you two posters that my friend gave me about big rigs. There is the Mac. I guess I need to stretch it. That starts this morning. And now, and above my Lamborghini poster is a Peterbilt 379. Wait, yeah, is that right? Or was it 389? Why do you guys keep telling me in the comments below? Well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to tell you the story of my life. It's already a story of my life. But anyway, if you liked it, make sure you hit the button in the face like a boss. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. See you later.